Hi, kids! Welcome to Kindness Tales, where magical stories share lessons on caring and friendship. Join fun adventures, subscribe, hit the bell, and let's start today's story. Hey, kids, grab a seat. I've got a quick tale about Ben, the boy who sneezed up a storm, in Ben, the boy who couldn't stop sneezing in public. Ben was an ordinary kid, messy hair, untied sneakers, and a huge love for peanut butter. But his sneezes, they were epic, like rockets blasting off. At breakfast, one sneeze sent milk splashing and toast flying onto Buster the dog. "Ben, control it," his mom sighed. But sneezes don't listen. On the school bus, Ben's sneeze spilled his backpack, pencils rolling everywhere. Kids laughed, yelling, "Incoming!" In math class, another sneeze launched his eraser, bonking Billy's spiky hair. The class roared, and even the teacher hid a smile. Ben's nose was pure chaos. At lunch, Ben held his peanut butter sandwich until a sneeze sent it flying, splatting on the principal's shoe. Kids shouted, "Peanut butter sneakers!" Then sank low, red-faced, as the cafeteria went wild. Mom took Ben to Dr. Snuffles, who peeked up his nose and declared, "Gigantic sneeze power." His fix: soup, rest, and tissues. That night, Ben sneezed noodles everywhere, but Mom's laughter and hugs worked magic. Soon, his sneezes calmed down. By the weekend, Ben's papers stayed put, his sandwich didn't fly, and the supermarket apples stayed still. "Love's the best medicine," Mom said. Ben grinned, and soup. They laughed, and Ben was just a kid with a slightly sneezy nose. That's Ben's sneeze-tastic adventure. So kids, next time your nose tickles, watch out. You might start a sneeze storm. Sweet dreams, and keep those tissues ready.